Good morning, good afternoon, wherever it is, wherever you are in the world. It's Matt here from the AusAffiliate.com, and it's nearly Friday, so you know what that means. It's let's see what's new on Clickbank offers this week. It's been about 2 weeks since I've checked out, so I don't know if anything new has come. Let's find out what's new on Clickbank. It's always good to see the new offers. So, of course, click on and adjust your date to the last couple of weeks. Let's just see what's around. Just this month. Just this month. What's come out? What do we got? Tinnitus. I see a lot of stuff coming up with tinnitus lately. I don't know why it's coming up, but seems to be getting bigger if you're in that sort of health niche. I'm not in the health niche, but if that's what you're into. LumaSlim, okay, health, weight loss, of course, huge. Slow starters, but remember the good thing about getting in these, just if they've dropped in the last month or so, is you can hit the ground running. So as they get bigger, you're preempting. If they get bigger, you're going to have a better traction, a firmer hold if you get started straight away. So that's why I like to jump on these ones. And if there's something that a good product that you see before everybody else starts to promote the shit out of it, you can get in there first. If you get it on your blog first, get it established, get some Google rankings to it beforehand, you'll have a head start on everybody else. So that's why I like to jump in before and see what's going on. Survival, I do love survival stuff. Looks like nobody's really hit that one yet, so it must have just dropped. Let's have a quick look at this. 50% commission. It looks like it's a course, which is good. Software is good. Even better when it's reoccurring, like membership subscription stuff. That's even better. Their landing page is a bit old dated though. But anyway, whatever. So it's got a bit of a video sales letter, which is good.
Hi, I'm Jason Knight with
Jason.
Leap Wilderness College. We're proud to offer this online survival course, Essential Wilderness Survival Skills. We spent years building and refining this course.
Oh, good for you. All right, cool. So sales letter, which is good. If they're providing a sales letter, that makes your job so much easier. $197. It's a full video course, which is good. Survival, which is good. Looks like most of the work is done for you here. You could just redo this sales page, use the information, but redo it in a more modern look. This sales page is a bit outdated. I'd rebuild it in ClickFunnels or something and throw a bit of extra info. Go to PLR, offer your own giveaways, entice them to your own sales page. Plenty of info here, modules. They're offering support and things like that, which is good. Let's just see if the final cost is in fact $197. It's pity. It's kind of a cool product, but pity about the sales page there. Remember, from your traffic source, you want to hit them on an opt-in page, offer them something in exchange for email address, so that adds to your email follow-up sequence and then through to their sales page. But you could easily do your own sales page with an opt-in on it using their information and then kick it through to theirs after that. So it is $197. Yeah, but if you're in that sort of niche and you've got the clientele to follow you, $200 for a full survival course, that's not too bad. And add 50% commission. So that's kind of cool. And that's a new one. So yeah, it's pretty about that. Yeah, sales page. Anyway, let's keep going. $3.95 coupon to which you earn $2. Is it really worth your time and effort? Probably not. High Income Alliance didn't sound very high income for a $3.95 book. Yeah, it could be a good sort of low ticket offer in your value ladder. So as a starter for your value ladder before you go to a higher ticket item, and then your highest ticket item, of course, that's not a bad one if you're in the make money niche. So always look at the ways you can use these products because they're there for you to use at your disposal. So I will jump on wherever you can if there's something that you can really jump in. Ultimate Acoustic Blues. So I think that was the last one that I saw, and I did a bit of made a landing page for that one, which is available if you guys want it. If ever you want any of my sort of landing pages, if you're a member of my team already, they're available for you to use. Please subscribe to the channel as well if you haven't already. So please click on subscribe and give a thumbs up if there's anything of value for you. It really helps me out. E-commerce starter pack. So hopefully you guys are all going through weekly and just sort of checking out the new. Remember, just adjust the date, just so you only get the most recent ones that have dropped. And then that can give you a bit of a jump on everybody else, which is good. E-commerce empire. God, my computer's so slow. Spirituality. Oh, come on. Now this is more of a landing page, see? This is what yours should look for. Oh, that's Peter Pruse. So he's a really good funnel builder. I follow him on YouTube and stuff. He's obviously just dropped his own Clickbank course, which is cool. So no wonder he does good landing pages. This is what he does. He makes landing pages for people, e-commerce and affiliate marketing businesses. So his full funnel stack. This is what's included. Value down the bottom, he'll have total value $3,000. Yours today for only $49. He's won a hell of a lot of awards. He's a really good marketer. That's cool. He was always talking about releasing an offer. There it is. It's obviously just dropped. That's cool. That's not bad for $49. Good. He's worth subscribing to as well. Learned a lot of really good stuff. And it must have just dropped because nobody's bought it yet. It could be the first one. How about that? It's got some upsells, some downsells. Yeah. So just remember, build a good page, a quality page. I use ClickFunnels, of course, but you can use, as long as it's a quality looking page. Hook it to your autoresponder so that you're following up automatically. Hook it through to your sales page. Follow up emails, of course, and then upsells. So as I said, value ladder, start with a low ticket item, get them onto your list, even a giveaway, free giveaway, low ticket, and then move them up to your higher ticket items as your autoresponder goes through. All explained. Please, plenty of videos on how to set all this stuff up. Otherwise, just hit me up below. Join the mailing list. You can contact me directly if you need anything, if you need pages built or just general information. That's what I'm here for. So let me know if I can be any of assistance, and happy marketing. Hopefully you see some success. Thanks, guys. If you are an affiliate marketer and you wish to get some resources to boost your affiliate marketing, I urge you to jump over and join via the link below. Join the Clickbank Marketing Secrets group, Facebook group. On the side, you will get access to the membership. If you join the membership, that will give you access to all of these tools, Within the membership, it's a $19 one-off fee. There is no recurring payments. It is just a one-off $19 fee for life, and you will get ongoing information and tools as well. So it will be updated, and you'll get access to all of that just for the simple one-off fee now. At the moment, there's, of course, email marketing information, downloads, cheat sheets, and mind maps, Twitter marketing, and YouTube marketing, all available for you in there if that's the sort of marketing that you're looking to do. If you wanted to create your own niche affiliate website, there's the step-by-step guide available for you in there. And if you are a Clickbank marketer in particular, the Marketing Secrets video guide is all in there for you as well. So there's not only the ebook, the whole video series is available, as well as bonus material. Additional training, there's definitely plenty of training available for you on Clickbank marketing, building your own affiliate marketing business online, as well as additional 100-day affiliate course, how to set up a very quick, simple Clickbank affiliate funnel. So this is per offer. You would set up a funnel, a lead capture funnel for each of your offers. Very quick and easy to do, step-by-step instructions. Building a 30-day funnel is there as well. More ClickFunnels training. Robbie Blanchard, of course, his training is in there as well. There's some free video affiliates, so how to become an affiliate marketer. The free video series, that's Chuck Muen's course, is available there, as well as the 100K in 90 days. Now, these are all the courses that I've done and tried, and these are the ones I recommend. So I've left out all of the garbage that isn't really worth anything, and these are the ones that are either free, affordable, but offer so much value that they're worth it. Finally, the John Crestani and the Anthony Morrison courses are there as well. I urge you to check those out. Additional tools available. These are the tools that I use every day in my business, and I urge you to check those out. A lot of them have free trials as well, and listing of all my tools that I use. References, so lead generation references and lead magnets. These are, again, simple things that you can use in your business just to boost the value of the products that you're selling. All available for you there. Plenty of books and reference guides available for you to download as well. And of course, contact. If you need to contact me, if you need funnels built, if you need steps, help, any of that sort of thing, I'm there to help you along. So I urge you to join the group. Again, jump over, join the Clickbank Marketing Secrets Facebook group, and on the side here is a little step where you can join the group. Dive in and let me know if you need any help. I'll be there to help you.